Alrighty, in this video we're going to cover how to change a UTV winch cable. As you can tell in this video, I've already removed the pre-existing winch cable, so now we just have an empty pulley. As you can see, there is the new winch cable. On the non-hook end, I put on electrical tape because you have to thicken the end to get it to sit in the hole on the winch itself, so it can pull itself into a spool.
Oh, I'm trying to save the battery. Which way? Up?
No. Yeah, you want it to go that way.
As you can see here, we're starting the spooling process of the cable. The best rule of thumb is to hold it taut so you don't have any kinks or overlays in the cable, and just allow it to spool back and forth.
Ready?
As you can see here, I'm holding it really tight to the frame, and I'm slowly going from left to right as the cable starts to spool in. As you can see there, I have a kink in the cable. That is not something you want, so be sure to work out all the kinks in the line before you continue to thread.
Yeah, I think I did get, that's either 60 or 90 feet. I think I got a big one. So we could like get way in there and pull some shit out if we couldn't get to it. Shut your dirty whore mouth. I'm gonna go get it this afternoon. Try to work on it.
As you can see here, I'm finishing the unwrapping of the cable, and now we are continuing to feed it into the line. As my hand turns over here, you can see another kink where I'm pulling it really tight, and then I have to untie it. And remember folks, side to side, slowly, as you can see I keep a real tight grip as to allow it to slowly spool rather than fast, and make a bulge in the middle or on the sides, which can cause a kink and a lockup in the line.
So see that right there? That's the problem. That shit bunches up. You gotta get that, keep that shit straight. Now right about there, we have to...
Now here you can see I have the cable end block. You're going to put that just below the hook, so when you finish the whole spool, it won't pull inside the machine, it'll just stop, so you can withdraw and retract.
Get it, Rita. Get it. Chop it down. Yeah, it's hard work, huh? The rubber mat.
I sure did.
That was that's what we put Mickey's playpen on.
hook? Where's your hook?
Now here in this scene, you can see I'm using the pre-existing hook because it was bigger than the one that came with the new cable. So you have to straighten out the cotter pin that holds it in place. And once you get that out, you will put it back together in the new cable.
What? Oh, your hat?
I am done for the day. Today.
How are you done with this day?
I am done.
You what?
What do you mean what? I'm just done. Eh?
Done doing what? What were you doing?
Okay.
I was cutting.
You want to shoot the crossbow?
Huh?
You want to shoot the crossbow?
Are you ready?
And here's the final step. You just finish the winching of the cable, keeping it taut side to side so you don't have any kinks or bubbles in the line. And you'll stop once that plate hits.
Let me see what this job was.
Do what?
And as always, folks, be sure to put any of the nuts and bolts that you took out in the job back in so you don't have any future complications. And that, my good people, is a job well done.